Thank you for coming back to my channel. So Donald Trump is having a rally in Tulsa. Now, whether you think he should or not, that's beside the point. It's going to happen. So if you don't like it, it's simple. Don't go. Stay home. But if you are one of the few that can go, please be careful. Now that we hear from every side that thinks it should or should not happen, let's really think about it for a minute. Some people think he shouldn't have it on kind of the COVID thing. They think people will get sick and get the COVID and die. I understand that. But help me understand this. A lot of people think that it's okay for tens of thousands of people to get out in the street and protest, burn buildings, burn houses, burn cars, destroy lives. And they don't even worry about getting the COVID. Nobody is wearing a mask out there. And if they are, they're not wearing it right. Come on, you hypocrites. Think about your words before you say them. And if you have a problem with Donald Trump having his rally, but you don't have a problem with the protesters, you need to check yourself. Now, I'm not 100% for Donald Trump by no means. But right is right and wrong is wrong. Think about this. 1 million people has registered to go to this rally. Only a couple 100,000 can even fit in the town. The whole town has got a population of 400,000. So if that many people is willing to put their life on the line for a cause, there's some pissed off people in this world. Just a few months ago, people on the left were saying that they wanted all Donald Trump supporters to catch COVID and die. But now they don't want them to go to a rally where that could very well happen. Come on, people, think about what you want. This could be the answer to your prayer. Let them go. It don't make no sense. You say one thing on this side of your face, and then on this side of your face you say something else. It don't make any sense. The bottom line is, if somebody wants to go to this rally, let them go. If they don't want to go, stay home. You're safe. It's that simple. But the rally's going on whether you like it or not. I mean, the protesting is going on whether I like it or not. I don't like it, but it's still going on. It's just one of the freedoms that we have. We have the choice to choose what we want and don't want to do. By you saying they can't go to that rally, you're refusing to let them have their freedom. Am I for Donald Trump? No. I'm not for him 100%. Right now, I'm split down the middle. I'm not sure which way I'm going to go come November. I know whatever person I vote for, that would be between me and my conscience and my God. Y'all, just check yourself before you say these words. And just know, I love you all. Please come back tomorrow. I have videos every day. Ciao.